All right, are you trying to find that perfect RC car for your kid? The one they'll actually love and play with so you don't end up with that classic buyer's remorse? Well, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into our top picks for 2026.
Okay, we're going to make this super simple for you. This whole list comes straight from our 2026 RC guide, and we've broken it down into 2 easy steps. First, we'll find the best car based on your child's age, and then we'll get into some top picks for different budgets and playstyles. Sound good? Let's do it.
All right, first things first, let's talk about age. This is seriously the fastest way to narrow down the options and make sure you're getting something that actually fits their skill level. So for the youngest drivers, we're talking ages 3 to 5, the clear winner is the Fisher-Price My Easy RC. Seriously, this is the perfect first RC car. It's all about stress-free indoor fun. So what makes this one so great? Well, the standout feature is this brilliant 2-speed parent setting. You can start them off slow, and then when they get more confident, you can crank it up. Now the watch out here, it does need 6 AA batteries, so you might want to stock up on those. And just remember, this little guy is built for your living room floor, not for tackling the backyard. Okay, moving on up. For kids in that 6 to 8-year-old range, our top pick is the Monster Jam Megalodon Storm RC. I mean, look at it. It's awesome, super fun, and it's absolutely perfect when they have friends over. The reason it's so good for group play is its 2.4 gigahertz controller, which means you can run a bunch of these at the same time with no signal problems. Plus, the truck itself charges with a simple USB cable, which is super convenient. The only things to watch out for, the remote does need a couple of AAA batteries, and of course, there's a little downtime while the truck charges. Oh, and while it's great on pavement, it's not a huge fan of thick grass. All right, for the 9 to 12 crowd, it's time for a real step up. The Arrma Granite Grum 4x4 is our winner here. And this is where things get interesting, because we're starting to lean into hobby-grade performance. This thing is a little beast. What's so cool about the Grom is how it balances power with safety. You get real 4-wheel drive and that tough basher-style durability, but, and this is huge, the controller has a speed limiter, so they can learn without you worrying too much. Now, the big watch out here is all about safety. When you get a car this fast, you absolutely need to set some clear rules about where they can drive it. And this is the age to start teaching them about proper LiPo battery safety. It's super important. And for the teens, the undisputed champ is the Traxxas 4x4 VXL. This isn't just a car, it's a platform. It's a high-performance machine with a crazy amount of potential for upgrades and making it their own. The real beauty of the Slash is that it's a long-term investment. The part support is massive, so if something breaks, you can fix it. If they want to make it faster, you can upgrade it. It'll last for years. Just a heads up though, the battery and charger are usually sold separately, so factor that into your budget. And let's be crystal clear, at the speeds this thing can hit, safety rules are not a suggestion, they are absolutely mandatory. All right, so that's our breakdown by age. Now, let's switch gears. We're going to do a quick rapid-fire round of top picks based on your budget and your kid's favorite way to play. First up, top budget pick. We're talking under $50. The BEZR RC Monster Truck. It's an awesome value, perfect for a gift, and it delivers that classic monster truck fun. It's going to be happiest on smooth floors or maybe some light dirt outside. For the best mid-range option, under $150, hey, look who it is! The Arrma Granite Grom is back. It's just hands down the best choice in this price range for getting real performance while still being a great car to learn on. Okay, let's talk premium. Under $300, if you want something with insane indoor precision, you've got to check out the Kyosho IniZ MR04. This thing is like a scalpel for your hardwood floors. And if you're ready for the ultimate splurge, over $300, it's the Traxxas 4x4 VXL HD. This is where you enter the serious hobby scene. The upgrade path is practically endless, and it is so rewarding. What about the best stunt car? That's got to be the KK Wohn's double-sided stunt car. This thing is made to flip, tumble, and roll over without snapping in half and ending the fun. If you want the best all-terrain RC car, look no further than the ARRR Big Rock 6S. Now, this thing is an absolute monster. It's really for experienced teens who have a ton of safe, open space to let it rip. Living in an apartment or just need something for indoors? The Kyosho Mini Z is back again, this time the RWD version. It's fantastic for building real driving skills in smaller spaces. Want to get into drifting? The Red Cat Lightning EPX Drift is your ticket. It comes ready to run right out of the box and is just a blast to slide around on smooth floors.
And last but not least, the best overall RC monster truck? It's the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 VXL. This thing has incredible ground clearance, tons of power, and that amazing Traxxas parts support we talked about.
So, after all that, how do you really make the final choice? Honestly, it boils down to just two things. How old is your kid, and where are they going to be driving this thing? Is it the living room, the backyard, or a huge open park?
So, here's what I want you to do. Go down to the comments and tell me two things: your child's age and their favorite playstyle. Are they an indoor driver, a backyard basher, a drifter, or a stunt driver? Let me know, and I'll help you pick the perfect match from this list.